Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Sharon Galanggam Kabubon, 40 years old. I'm separated. I have 3 kids. Their ages are 21, 17, and 4 years old. I'm Anglican religion. I'm a high school graduate, but I can manage to work abroad. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 months. We are 2 helpers. We are serving 5 members of the family. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes. I have also work experience in Hong Kong for 1 year and 4 months. We are 2 helpers. We are serving 5 members of the family. My main duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes.
Okay, so in Saudi Arabia, you extend for them for 4 months?
Yes,
Okay, why you extend instead of renew your contract with them?
because that time is there's a coronavirus.
So this time is COVID before.
Yes.
Okay. So the other helper is a Filipina also?
No, ma'am. No contract.
No. What is the other nationality of the other helper?
Filipino, ma'am.
Filipina.
Yes.
Okay. So how old the kids when you start working with them in Saudi?
2 years old, 9 and 11.
So 2, 9, and 11. Okay. How about in Hong Kong? How old the kids?
9, 11, and 13 years old.
Okay. And you can cook Arabic food or Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what kind of Chinese dishes you can prepare?
Fried rice, chicken wings with honey, pork soup, chicken soup, pasta. That's all.
You don't know how to steam?
I know, ma'am. Steamed egg or steamed fish.
Okay. So what's the reason you did not finish your contract with your employer in Hong Kong before?
My madam told me because the children are already
Grown
big.
up?
Yes, ma'am. So she sent me a
How about the other helper? They still stay with them?
yes.
So the other helper keep and
Because she is already 8 years with them, ma'am.
in Hong Kong
Yes.
before. Okay. So what's the reason you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
For the future of my kids, ma'am.
And who will look for your children if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband and mother-in-law and father-in-law.
So you have new live-in partner for now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you were separated with your husband before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they want my service, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a newborn baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes,
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, please do hire me, ma'am and sir. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. I will love your children as my own. And I'm a hardworking person. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2360.